Hello everyone. In today's video we will learn how to install Chrome in AWS instance. Okay, here I opened EC2 services and here you can see this is EC2 dashboard. Okay, so I have already connected in, so we are going on our EC2 services. So this is EC2 instance. Here you can see this is EC2 instance. Okay, so first of all we will open our Internet Explorer and here you can see we are unable to search because of this pop-up. So first of all we will close this pop-up and close our Internet Explorer, and we will click on search button. Here we type server manager. In server manager, first of all we will click on this close button and we will click on the local server. On local server we have an option here, Internet Explorer enhanced security configuration. Here IE stands for Internet Explorer enhanced security configuration. This is on, so we will off it. Okay, so off for both administrator and user also. Okay, now we will close this server manager. Now we open our Internet Explorer and it will not show any pop-up here. Okay, now we can easily search anything on Internet Explorer. So here we will download Chrome in Internet Explorer. Okay, so we search for download Chrome and here by this link we will download Chrome. Okay, run. Now Chrome is installing in our EC2 instance. So now Chrome is starting downloading in our EC2 instance. So it will not take too much time because it is happening on the AWS cloud instance, that is we are using here EC2 Elastic Cloud Computing. Okay, so now download complete, verifying, waiting to install, and within the seconds it will install because AWS servers are very fast. Okay, so within the seconds it will install. Here installing is going on. Now done. So it will open Chrome browser here. So first we will close it. Okay, now we will close it also. Okay, now you can see here on the desktop Chrome icon is available, so we will click on it and whatever we want we can search here. Like I am going to search gkb.ac.in. So here it will not show any pop-up and it will work easily. Okay, look here. Now we will close it and we will uninstall it and we will see how to install Chrome through command prompt using PowerShell. Okay, so first of all we will uninstall it, Google Chrome. In search bar we can search for settings, and in settings we will go on apps, and in apps we are able to share Google Chrome, so we will uninstall it and we will install again it by using command prompt. Okay, so I am going to uninstall it. This is uninstallation is done. Now here we can see our Chrome has gone. Okay, so Chrome is uninstalled. Now we will open our CMD that is command prompt. In command prompt we will type PowerShell. We will click, it will open PowerShell window. Okay, in command prompt. For verify, we are able to see here PS. Okay, so this is PowerShell. Now we will write a command. So this command you will find in description box. So I am going to paste here. Okay, this is the command, path and an environment temp installer. So this command you will find in description box. So I am going to hit enter here. Now you can see within the seconds it will install Chrome. Okay, in our system. Chrome installation is going by using this command. Okay, yes, we will exit it. Now here you can see Chrome is available. Okay, so with the help of command prompt we can also install Chrome. Now here we can search anything which we want to search. Get started. We will open new tab here and we can search whatever we want. Now here we are able to search whatever we want. This search is done on the AWS cloud. Okay, so that's it and that's all. Thank you everyone.